Hey everyone, welcome back to World Wonder Secrets. Today, we're diving into how you can explore the USA on a low budget. Let's get started. Accommodation options. First up is accommodation. Consider staying in hostels or using Airbnb for affordable options. Both provide budget-friendly stays. If you're feeling adventurous, camping in national parks is also a great way to save. Transportation tips. Next, let's talk transportation. Utilize public transport. Metros and buses are economical ways to get around. You can also plan road trips and use ride-sharing apps to cut down on travel costs. Eating on a budget. Now, for meals. Try local street food or buy groceries to cook your own meals. Both options offer delicious and budget-friendly dining experiences. Local diners are also a great affordable choice. Free activities. Last but not least, look for free or low-cost activities. Hiking in national parks or taking city walking tours allows you to experience local culture without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these budget tips for exploring the USA, give a thumbs up and subscribe to World Wonder Secrets for more. Share your budget travel tips in the comments. Happy travels!